Portland woman gone missing, last seen in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 34-year-old Nicola Lindsay of Reach District, Portland, has been missing since Thursday, August the 4th. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 5 feet tall. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that around 8 a.m., Lindsay was last seen at Park Road, Kingston 8, wearing a dark green blouse with green and yellow Jamaican shorts. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Nicola Lindsay is being asked to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Nicola Lindsay is being asked to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421, 119 Police Emergency Number, or the nearest police station. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.